Think you need a ton of cash to invest in real estate? Well, think again. What if I told you that you could buy rental properties using business credit without using your personal savings? In this video, I'll be breaking down how you could use business credit to cover your down payment, the best lenders for real estate investors, and a step-by-step strategy that clients use to buy rental properties using other people's money. And if you're serious about leveraging business credit for real estate, go ahead and DM me the words REI funding on Instagram. I'll have a link in the description as well, so you could do that directly. I'll personally send you a business credit roadmap. Most investors think they need a perfect credit score and 20% down in cash to buy investment real estate. But the wealthy use leverage. They use business credit to secure funding while keeping their personal finances separate. Why business credit is a game changer for investors like yourself is no personal guarantee in some cases, which will limit your liability and protects your personal credit. Quick access to funds. Unlike mortgages, business credit can be approved in weeks, not months, with tons of due diligence and high fees. You can cover down payments, repairs, and holding costs. Also, you could get DSCR loans and you can combine that with business credit and it's easy real estate funding. Now, let's break down exactly how to set up some business credit so you can use it to buy your next real estate deal. Step one, you're going to want to build business credit first. You're going to set up an LLC and an EIN. You don't want to have a sole proprietorship as it will limit your funding options. Next, you're going to want to look like a real business, so you're going to need a business bank account. Lenders love to see you separate your business from your personal finances. You can apply for starter trade lines such as Uline, Quill, Granger. You probably heard of some of these. Step two, you're going to want to get some business credit cards or lines of credit and apply for some high limit business credit cards. Some of my favorites are Amex Business Platinum or the Blue Cash, Chase Inc. Preferred, BOA Business Advantage. These are some reputable banks that give lines. Secure a business line of credit, some of which are some fintech lenders like Fundbox or Wells Fargo, Chase as bigger lenders. Next, you want to fund your real estate deals by using business credit for such things as down payments, and you could pair that with a DSCR loan to close deals. You could use it for property or rehab and fix and flips, holding costs, or even reserves. You never know when your rental property is going to spring a leak and you have to call emergency plumbing. That's going to cost you thousands of dollars, and you need to have some reserves for when this might happen. And if you need help getting approved, feel free to DM me REI funding and we can come up with custom funding roadmap for you. Some of the biggest mistakes that investors make, and this is how to avoid them. If you're applying for business credit without any business credit history, it can in times lower your approval amounts if you don't know what you're doing. You want to start with some vendor trade lines first. Mixing personal and business credit is another mistake that people tend to make when they are new. Mistake number three is not knowing which lenders approve real estate investors because real estate investing is considered a high risk industry. Now you know exactly how to use business credit to invest in real estate. If you want expert help on how to fund your real estate investing business, go ahead and DM me the word REI funding on Instagram. I'll have the link below and I can help you get started. And if you got value from this, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe and comment. And I want to know, what's your biggest challenge in real estate investing? I will reply to every non-spam comment. I want to provide as much value as possible so you go into this well-funded. You got to stay savvy. And until next time, thank you for watching.